Hey, it's Gaming at Easy here, and welcome back to another video. And today in this video, I am going to be teaching you the #1 fastest way to make money on Hypixel Skyblock. So first thing you're going to do is go straight to the deep ends after the coal mine, gold mine, etc. So I'll meet you there. So once you're at the deep end, well, deep caverns, not deep end. You're going to go to the lift operator and you're going to go down to Hypixel Sanctuary. You guys probably know what I'm getting to now. So you're going to have this to go down there. Good gear. Luck 5 on an undead sword. First strike 4. Looting 3. Sharpness 5. Knockback 2. And giant killer 5. You don't really need and actually you don't really need knockback or sharp. Well, you kind of need sharpness, but not really. But you must have giant killer 5, first strike 4, and it has to be luck 5. I've seen somebody have luck 4. It does not work well. And also you're going to need an efficiency 5 pickaxe with fortune 3. So now we're going to go to Hypixel Sanctuary. So in here, you're going to kill these ugly things, and you're going to collect these. Because if you get a stack of block of diamond, that is $4 grand. And also, each of their gear is worth $3,000. It used to be worth $4 grand, I think, but they must have tweaked it or something. So this is my opinion on the fastest way to make money. It just worked out for me a lot better. So I'm just going to take off my chest plate because that's how confident I am with this sword. Look at that, one shots them, but I almost die. So that's the only problem right there. So I would recommend you guys putting all your money in the bank so you don't lose none of it. Because I've lost lots of money due to it. Because I didn't know whenever I was first starting. It was so sad. So yeah. And right now, I'm going to give myself a 10-minute timer. And I'm going to grind for 10 minutes. And then whenever I come back, I'm going to show you everything I got. And all how much money I made off of it. Because I'm telling you, this is the #1 way to make money. The fastest way. #1 fastest way. I made 142 grand in 2 days with this method. So stay tuned to see how much money you can make in 10 minutes with the sword and the pickaxe. Okay, it has been 10 minutes. So that means we started at 12:25 Eastern Standard Time. So we actually did a really good job this time. So I'm going to show what we got in 10 minutes. Now you have to remember, this is 10 minutes, not 10 hours. So let me show you. Yes, this miner boot's already there. That's mine. But I got 2 miner chest plates, a stack and almost a half of blocks of diamonds, a stack of diamond and 1, some bones, and rotten flesh. So now we're going to go sell all this to the lumber merchant. That spider eye was not there. Hold on. Actually, before we do that, let's just e-pearl. Oops, not there. I did not mean to go here. Let's go back in. Oops. I was going to go to the bank, but somehow I missed my e-pearl. I always recommend getting e-pearls for anything. So right now my balance is 0. That was my deposit. So now we're going to run back all the way over here. And also I already put on my chest plate that I had earlier. And we are going to start with the rotten flesh, then bones, and then the diamonds. Look at that, 4 grand, 1,000. Wow. Okay, boom, 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 boom. So I'm going to sell these. We already at $476, and we haven't even sold the blocks of diamonds. Are these that are actually worth $4,000 each because they're chest plates. Boom, $1,500. Actually, blocks of diamonds are worth more than that. Wow. Boom, block of diamonds sold. Boom, and mine a chest plate. And boom, I made 15 grand. Now those gold diggers, Hypixel gold diggers, will be with you now. Just watch out for that. Okay, it's a very serious thing. So boom, I got 200 grand. That is awesome. I made 15 grand in 10 minutes with this method. This method is the best in my opinion. You make so much money in such a little time. Just imagine grinding for like an hour with this sword. It would be amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button down below. Also, if you are new, hit that red button called subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so you never miss one of my posts. Unless you want to miss my post. That's okay. So thanks for watching. Bye.